AIBC Americas Summit in Toronto, Canada, and I'm with Dev Sharma from Blockwiz. So Blockwiz is all about marketing. Tell me about it.
Thanks, Sarah. Yes, I am the founder and CEO of Blockwiz. We are the world's largest crypto marketing agency. We started back in 2019. Prior to that, I was the regional head at Paxful, and I've been in crypto marketing for over half a decade now. And what I realized is that marketing had a bad name in the industry. There were too many people just selling influencer lists. There were very little people, not a lot of people actually, who were actual content or digital marketers helping out people build organic traction. So that's what Blockwiz does. We help people acquire, engage, as well as advise people on what to do and what not to do when it comes to product development and marketing. So that's about us. We're about 85 full-time people now, so it's been a long way since we started back in 2019. And we've worked with 250 clients all across NFTs, Metaverse, Play to Earn, and we've done over 2,000 campaigns. So I'm very excited about how Web3 is going to shape up marketing as a whole.
So if someone wanted to get into this space and didn't know anything about blockchain or Web3 or Metaverse, what would you recommend for them in their brand?
So if you're a user who wants to actually get into Web3, I feel that it's inevitable. And just like YouTube was never actually taught to people, you don't need to teach people to get into Web3. It's going to become a part of our day-to-day life, with brands like Nike investing in wearables, with brands like Gucci releasing their new lines on the Metaverse. It's just going to become a part of regular life. And if someone wants to get in, I'd say just set up a MetaMask, put in a little bit of Ethereum, and just try it out. I think just having that access, especially in developing countries, is the best way forward. And if you're a marketer or a product guy or want to build a career in blockchain, I think there's no better time than this right now. We're in the bear market, and I believe the bear market is the best time to innovate, to build. And if you're serious about getting into the space, you should be actually just sending out your resume out to founders. We're hiring as well. Just pitch what you're great at, get in an internship, and just start building towards the ecosystem.
We're here at the summit and you've seen a lot of booths. So what do you see as trends in the marketing and gaming and blockchain space?
So something that I'm very excited about, and I see a shift in the market towards it as well, is we're moving from I have this cool white paper and I want to raise millions of dollars to I now have a product in the marketing. In the market, it's a working product and I want to get more users to use it. And I feel the next 12 months are going to be about the consolidation. It's better to have 5 metaverse and NFT players with millions of users than have a million metaverses with just 10 users. So I feel that's the trend that's moving, that we're moving towards very organically. And as marketers, I couldn't be happier about it because, I believe that nothing kills a bad product faster than good marketing. So for me, having access to the quality products out there makes my job easier. And I feel that's a trend that's shifting. Of course, with Web 3.0, there's also going to be marketing 3.0. So the ways marketers need to evolve to capture Web 3 audiences also needs to evolve.
Do you see marketing becoming more personalized and individual?
100%. So with the internet, prior to the internet, if you see how Facebook acquired its users, there was no personalized Google ads back then, right? There was no way to actually track cookies on the internet and show you exactly the shoes that you were browsing or spoke about yesterday. It was all TV ads and newspapers and media that actually got in early users on the internet. Similarly, we're in that stage right now. Any Web3 project, all of our Blockwiz clients as well, are using the same Web2 marketing technologies and channels to acquire users. They're using Twitter, they're using Telegram, they're using Discord. All of these are Web2 channels. Eventually, when Web3 grows, it becomes a no-brainer to actually market within the Web3. And once that happens, the amount of personalization that you can do in Web3 is far greater than what you can do in Web2. Now, there's a catch to this. Web3 is anonymous, right? There are no cookies involved. You cannot put in user information data, but there's also an opportunity here. If you can get people to opt into sharing their data, you can actually monetize that as well. And a few people, for example, Brave Browser, are actually doing that also. So there's multiple parallel revenue streams and opportunities that open up when you kind of move towards the Web3 ecosystem and specifically towards marketing 3.0.
All right, well, thank you so much, Dev Sharma, for joining us. I appreciate it.